Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fast Nether portal. This technique is incredibly efficient, allowing you to construct a portal with minimal effort and resources. You'll primarily need just a water bucket, a lava bucket, and your trusty flint and steel. The core principle relies on the simple reaction of water flowing over lava to create obsidian, which is the essential building material for your portal frame. To begin, find a flat area. Place a temporary block, then pour your water bucket onto it. Now, with your lava bucket, carefully pour lava next to the flowing water. You'll see obsidian blocks instantly form. Continue this precise method, pouring lava strategically to build the bottom 4 blocks of your portal frame, then moving upwards to construct the sides. This systematic approach ensures a quick and efficient build. Your Nether portal frame needs to be exactly 4 blocks wide and 5 blocks high. The beauty of this fast method is that you only need to create 10 obsidian blocks. You can use temporary blocks, like dirt or cobblestone, to fill in the corners of the frame. This clever trick saves you from mining or crafting additional obsidian, making the entire process much quicker and resource-friendly. With your 10 obsidian frame now perfectly constructed, it's time for the final step, activation. Simply equip your flint and steel and right-click on any of the inner obsidian blocks within the frame. The portal will instantly light up with its signature purple shimmer, ready for your journey to the Nether. Practice this method a few times, and you'll be building portals in under a minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.